So, making a budget is one of the most helpful things I've ever learned how to do. And it'll really help you a lot. Because what it is you're taking money, which is your resources, and you are organizing your resources. That's what budgeting is. So, you get a piece of paper, and you're going to make a list. At the top, you're going to put your average income for a month, and then under that, you're going to put your bills. So you're going to have the total amount that you spend on housing, which is either your rent or your mortgage, then your total amount that you use on your car, which is you're going to write down your car payment if you have one, your car insurance, and then your gas. After that, you're going to write down how much you spend in electric and how much you spend in water. Then you're going to write down how much you spend in miscellaneous, like your subscriptions and all that. And you're going to write down how much you spend in groceries. So if you spend, this kind of does two things, because it'll give you an idea of what you are spending, which is really important, because it'll make you aware of it. And then it'll also, you'll learn ways of adjusting how much you're spending as you go. The other thing that does is after I wrote all that down, what I would do is I would allocate a certain amount of money to recreation, and a certain amount of money to savings and investments. So it'll allow you to have your money set up for emergencies, and it'll help you plan for in the future, because if you have resources set aside to work on projects in the future, then you can plan accordingly to that. So and it's okay to put a pretty good amount of money into recreation if you want to. There's nothing wrong with that, as long as you have your emergency money in case something bad happens and you're set up with your savings and all. I think probably 5 or 10% put into savings is pretty good after you get your emergency money settled. I would make a list for your savings too. I would put emergency money, and then things that you want to save up for, and then things that whatever else. But it'll help you a lot to budget.